If you're considering Planoly for social media management and analytics, there are some key things you should know before committing. In this video, we'll dive into 12 things that will help you decide if it's the right tool for you and how it stacks up against its competitors. First, Planoly is known for its user-friendly interface. While platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer offer similar features, Planoly's clean, visually driven dashboard makes it easier for those focused on aesthetics, like Instagram influencers and brands, to plan posts in a grid layout. Next thing, Planoly offers Instagram scheduling, but it's limited compared to some other tools. Unlike Hootsuite or Sprout Social, which support a wider range of social media platforms, Planoly mainly focuses on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking to manage a multi-platform strategy with one tool. The third thing, the analytics dashboard. Planoly does provide decent performance tracking, but it doesn't go as deep as other competitors like Sprout Social or Buffer. You'll get insights into engagement and follower growth, but it lacks the detailed reporting and competitor analysis you'll find with those platforms. Next thing, Planoly has a visually appealing drag-and-drop calendar that's great for organizing your content. This is one area where it beats many other tools, especially for visual-heavy brands who want a simple yet powerful way to schedule and arrange content. The fifth thing to consider is its paid plans. While the free version has some decent features, you'll need to upgrade to get access to more posts, additional users, and analytics. That said, its pricing is fairly competitive, especially for businesses focusing mainly on Instagram with no hidden fees. Next, Planoly's features include content creation tools such as Canva integrations, which can be a major time saver for creators. If you're using Canva already, this integration can help streamline your workflow. However, for businesses needing extensive content management features, other platforms may offer more robust content planning options. The seventh thing is its team collaboration features. Unlike Buffer, which offers unlimited team members even on the lowest tier, Planoly limits team access in its lower plans. This can be a hindrance if you have a large team working on social media strategy. Moving on, Planoly supports Instagram stories, allowing you to plan and schedule them in advance. However, unlike some of its competitors, Planoly doesn't support direct publishing for stories, so you'll still need to manually post when it's time. It's a minor inconvenience, but worth noting. Next thing, customer support. Planoly has a solid support team available through email and chat, but for those who need immediate assistance, other tools like Hootsuite or Buffer offer 24/7 customer service, which can be a key advantage if you're managing a busy account. The 10th thing to consider is the mobile app. Planoly's app is a favorite for those who want to manage their content on the go, but it's not as powerful as others like Sprout Social's mobile app. The features are basic and primarily focus on content scheduling rather than advanced analytics or engagement tracking. Next up, Planoly offers a shop link feature, which lets you add a link to your Instagram posts for e-commerce. This feature is great for businesses selling products directly through Instagram, but if you're selling through other channels, competitors like Later or Hootsuite provide more e-commerce integration options. The 12th and final thing, Planoly's growth is steady, but it doesn't offer as many features as its competitors at the same price point. For small businesses and influencers, it's a solid option. But for larger teams or brands with more complex needs, you may want to consider a more comprehensive tool like Sprout Social or Hootsuite. In conclusion, Planoly is a good choice for those who focus on Instagram and Pinterest, especially if you're looking for an intuitive, aesthetically pleasing tool. But if you're seeking a more robust solution that offers deeper analytics, multi-platform support, and better team collaboration, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.